Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily gather electrical parts in 7 days to die. So to begin, first of all we'll need to have a salvaging tool, like is the wrench. And what you'll need to do is go to these intact vehicles that are not broken down, and just go ahead and salvage them, and there's a bit of chance that you'll get some electrical parts from it. The next object that you can salvage are these electrical parts that you can find on houses, and just go ahead and salvage them, and these are going to yield you much more electrical parts compared to the vehicles. And also you can salvage these lamps for electrical parts and these electrical boxes. Once again, even you can salvage a flashlight if you find it and you have plenty of them at your hand. You can just go ahead and click scrap and it is going to yield you some electrical parts. These are pretty much the basic ways how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.